Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is Diksha Patil here and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video I am going to do a haul of the eyeliners I recently got from Swiss Beauty, and these are the colored eyeliners. So let's start the video. So guys, this is my package from Swiss Beauty. I have bought this on my own, so this is not at all a sponsored video. Okay, so let me show you whatever shades I have got. I really like this mini bag from the brand. It's cute, right? Now let me showcase the eyeliners that I have got. So I have got these 5 eyeliners. Oops. Okay, I'll pick it up later. So I have got these 5 eyeliners. There's one yellow, this is in the orange shade, this is the lavender one, this is green, and this is pink. So I have got these 5 eyeliners. So we'll do a swatch test and I'll let you know the good points about these eyeliners and the bads as well if we found any. So let's dive into the swatches one by one. So this is my favorite color and that's why I'm starting this with it. So first of all, I'll define the benefits of this, because it is saying it is smudge proof, long wear and waterproof, and the quantity is 0.4 gram, and it is from the range Color Me Happy Eyeliner, okay, from Swiss Beauty. And the price of this product is, let me show you what's written on the box. Oh, it is mentioned as 249 rupees. It is for 249. So this is the color Purple Aster 08. So let's open it. So this is how the eyeliner looks. Okay, so it has this rotating thing to open it. So this is how it's looking. It's not too pointy like a sharpened pencil. They have cut it, or they have made it flat at the tip. So I'm swatching it on my hand. I have to do it slowly, huh? So this is how it's looking. I really like the shade and look how vibrant it looks, and I love this shade a lot. What do you think of this, guys? Moving ahead with the next one. So this is the shade Yellow Sunflower 02. Let's try this as well. Okay. So this is the swatch of yellow one. It's really bright. I was not expecting it to be this bright, but it is looking really nice and has that pop color feeling, and it's really popping. I like it. I thought yellow won't come up this great, but it is looking really nice if you can see it on my hand. Next is this shade. The name of this shade is Orange Daisy 05. So I'll try this. So this is how it is. Let me swatch it for you. Okay, so this is kind of a rusty and red kind of shade, not exactly in the orange family. It's looking more of like that gajri kind of coral color, and I would keep this in the red family, not in the orange one, because I'm feeling a little orange about it. Maybe because of my skin tone it's looking like that. But the name of the shade was Orange Daisy. Am I right? The name of the shade was, yes, Orange Daisy. I was right. Moving ahead with the next one. So this is the green shade. Let me tell you the exact name. It's Tulip Green 10, the name of the shade. I will do the swatch for this as well. Okay. they all have that flat tip, so it's really good because most of the eyeliners they gave the pointy and edgy tip which breaks at the first application. So I have to be little careful with these ones as well because this is my first time trying out these. Look at that green color, it's looking really wow, like it's so vibrant and good. I am loving the way the shades are coming out, and I was not at all expecting this, and this is something good. Like Swiss Beauty makes good product, but I am loving these eyeliners. Moving ahead with the last one. So the name of this is from the Pink family. So the name of this shade is Pink Alpros 03. Let's try it out. Which is kind of a baby pink color, I think. Let's see. So swatching it for you guys. So this is how the pink one is looking, and wow, matlab, I cannot pick one. I'm really loving all these shades which you can see on my hand, and I can't pick one. These are so amazing, and I think this is the first time I have purchased so many shades from a single brand because I really liked the way how they turned out, and I have seen so many reviews. And one of the most important thing, these are really affordable. Like if you can see that on the site of Swiss Beauty, it will only cost you 199. Actually, I got these under an offer in which there was an offer going on with the brand itself, like buy two get one free. In buy two get one free, they gave me one line eyeliner for rupees 249. That means 498 for two products, and one would be free. Like, so we can say that 498 for three eyeliners. So it totally depends because they keep on changing their prices because of the sale and all that stuff, but an eyeliner won't cost you more than 200, I think, with no offers even as per the regular time. So you can see, and I'll also attach the link for the same in the description box below. And I am going to apply one eyeliner from this. Let's try it out on my eyes. And one more thing, I don't directly apply eyeliner on my eyelids. Like I usually apply a black eyeliner or a kajal, and over that I apply the eyeliner, because if I directly apply the eyeliners on my eyes, it looks very weird to me and I don't find it nice on me. So I already have applied that black eyeliner, so over it I'm going to apply the colored eyeliner. So let's do it. So I'm thinking to do something like orange and pink. Yeah, something orange and pink kind of vibe. I'll do it. So let's start with the pink one first. I have applied it very lightly because I'm really afraid that the tip should not break. So this is how it's looking. It's looking cute, I think. I have applied the orange one over the pink one. So it's kind of giving that gradient kind of effect. So this is how it's looking. Let me finish the next eye as well. I really don't want these to break. Really slowly. Really slowly. Now it's time for the orange one. So guys, I'm done. See the eyes. I really like how it turned out, and my eye looks so vibrant and so like jolly right now. I'm really loving the vibe. It has made the whole look a little bit of what can I say, a little bit of bright, and I'm not feeling like that dull all time black eyeliner kind of girl. and it's giving me some modern vibes, and I'm really loving how it is looking. Just have a look at my eyes. So let me know what do you think about this in the comment section. I'm also going to attach few pictures. If you cannot see it on the camera, I'll attach some pictures here and there. You can see how beautiful my eyes are looking right now. And these are the swatches, showing you once again so that you can see it nicely how it looked. So you can see on my eyes the pink shade is looking exactly the way it's looking on my hand, and the same is with the orange one, and I love this. What do you think about this? And I think that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.